Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Policy YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about AirTrac Wingless Air Transport System. We know we have an interstate system. It can't handle all the traffic. Our air transport system, airlines, and all our new ADS-B isn't going to help with this problem. So here's a way we can solve the transportation problems, and I think you'll like it. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So we hope you found that little presentation useful and informative. Think about it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.